हेलो बच्चों, इस वीडियो में सीखने वाले अल्फाबेट A to Z, A B C D E F Z. A for apple. B for banana. C for candy. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fox. Z for grape. H for honey. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for net. O for oil. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for roach. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for van. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.